This is a, what, 2010, I think, Volkswagen Passat. Customer states it makes white smoke while driving. What a shame. Happening Sie hören das Auto. Power down. I wonder if this thing overheated and blew up a head gasket. Let's see if it's got any coolant in here. Yeah, there's some in there. All right. Weird. Let's see if the dipstick will tell us anything. Oh no! Oh, it's like that much overfilled with not oil. Oh no, it's done. She's over. Look at that. Oh, that's bad. That's oil and coolant mixed together. We have discovered the forbidden milkshake. Oh no. See, what happens here is either we get a crack in the cylinder head, a crack in the cylinder block, leaking head gasket, or some other way for coolant to end up in the oiling system. Could have happened at a leaking oil cooler assembly, something like that. I don't know if these have oil coolers, but they can cause that cross-contamination between the two fluid types. Regardless, coolant is not a very good engine lubricant, so this thing running around that much overfilled on the oil means that it's been circulating and lubricating its bearings and camshafts and timing chains and everything else with engine coolant mixed with oil. So I'm not even going to bother pulling out the scan tool, because whatever the trouble codes indicate is going to be a lesser problem than the engine failure that has occurred here. Moving on up. I've got to see what's in this oil pan. Reverse click. Let's just bear witness to the carnage that lies beneath. Plus, I'm curious to see just how much comes out of this thing. Oh, the threads aren't that great. Look at that. This poor Volkswagen. All right, here it comes. Oh, look at that. That is so bad. It's like mustard. Something's going on. Probably. Well, what we know is that the coolant and the oil are mixed together, and we get coil. Could be. Well, see, the problem is that this engine's been circulating coolant through it for how long? And so the bearings don't like that too much. Regardless of what caused it, it's caused enough damage to kind of condemn the engine, yeah. Look, it's still coming out too, it just won't stop. It's so bad. Look how thick it is. Dude, it won't even drain in the oil pan. Look at that. Oh, it's so bad. Look how thick that is. Yup.
Who says coolant in the oil pan?
Oh, I do. It doesn't mix. I mean, it mixes into that, but it's still going too. Wow, it is still going. We're like 2.5 minutes into this, and we're still draining this this milkshake out of here. Look at that. Oh no! Oh no! It's overflowing my oil drain. You've got to be kidding me. Look, the oil drain can't take it. Oh no! What do I do? Oh, this is horrible. I can't stop it. And it's still coming out. Oh, I need another oil drain. Quick. There's one. There's another one. Is this one full? Well, that was a twist of events. Yeah, it can't drain down the middle of the thing here. Oh no. Now I gotta clean this up. Look at that. I've got Volkswagen schmoo all over my floor. Oh, this is horrible. Why? Yeah. How are we doing on this one? Are we good over here? Sure. And it's still coming out everywhere. The car gods are officially angry with me. Yep, still coming out into the other drain. This one's still not accepting the sludge. Why? Why is this happening? Why? Should have been an astronaut. Seriously. It's like the blob. Like there's nothing I can do here at all. I'm powerless. Except get my wrench back. It's begun to consume my tools. Okay, I can't stop the mess, but maybe I can contain it a little bit. Put up some like little barriers here. There. Terrible. Yeah, we'll get another one going. There we go. Use that one. Yeah, this is gonna work. Get another one over here on the back side. Go, look at that. Yeah, what a brilliant idea I had. That's just great. Alright. The infection is contained. Sort of. This is ridiculous. But hey, on the bright side, the pan's almost done draining. That's good. Unbelievable. All right, let's see if my bad ideas are gonna get any worse. I got a piece of cardboard over there. I want to get this caddy out of here. So, but I don't want to have this dripping all over everywhere else. So I got this cardboard over here, maybe to catch some of the spillage. And then I can see what I can do about getting this out. Maybe start to clean up some of this, I don't even know what to call this mess. It's like an oil change apocalypse video. Oh my god. Whoa, look at it. This is gonna just get worse as the moments pass. You guys, you know, we're just gonna do this like ripping off a band-aid real fast, like, alright. And transfer now. That didn't work. It's on my shoe. Alright, we have to go over the barrier. Ah! And I'm spilling more. Look at that. Spilling everywhere. Maybe if I lift this up, it'll allow more flow down into the tank. No. It's not working. Ah, it got me. I'm contaminated. Yeah, that stuff's not going anywhere at all. It's just there. Begin oil caddy cleaning procedure now. Dude, it's so thick. Brake clean doesn't even work on it. Watch this. Yeah, nice. That's just sad. This is like some Adam Sandler Big Daddy newspaper cleaning procedure right here. Keep throwing towels and paper on it until it's gone. Yep. You know, I was making fun of somebody on a TikTok video earlier because they went to empty one of these old caddies out and didn't close the valve on it, and they put air pressure to it, and all the oil shot out of the top, hit the roof, cascaded down on top of him and everybody else. And you know, I chimed in with my 2 cents, and then this happened. See, this is car karma right here at the finest. All right, guys, I think that's enough chicanery for the day. I'm going to I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I guess I'm gonna throw this drain plug back in whenever all that oil drains out and I can find the plug and try to clean up some of this mess. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this one out. This is a very sad moment for me, and I don't want to indulge in it any longer than I have to. That being said, thank you guys for watching me torture myself today in this particular video. Hope you enjoyed this at my detriment. If you did enjoy it, head down to comment land below and let me know what you think about the events that just transpired here today. If you didn't enjoy this video or want to yell at me for ruining the environment, that's fine too. I'm prepared to take whatever you guys dish out at this point because I probably earned it. So again, and as always, thank you for watching, and most importantly, do not forget to have yourselves a better day than what I'm having. See you guys later.